Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best backless booster car seats on Amazon. Booster seats are a must-have item for your young kids. Not only will they make a car ride a lot safer for your child, but they'll also increase their comfort, which can come in handy on longer trips. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Graco Backless Turbo Booster Car Seat. One of the best backless boosters out there, the Graco Turbo Booster is padded and features height adjustable armrests for extra comfort. It's made to be used by kids between 40 and 100 pounds and up to 57 inches tall. Make sure that your kid is tall enough for this seat before you buy. Hideaway cup holders are also included to stow juice or water and keep your child happy on long rides. A deluxe seat cushion offers extra comfort and can be removed for machine washing, making this very easy to use and easy to clean. Even though this model doesn't offer a latch-supported strap, they don't slide around while in use or when kids get in and out of them. Overall, this is a great choice for your child, offering supreme comfort and optimal safety. Number 2. Cosco Topside Booster Seat. A lightweight backless booster seat with a sleek design, the Topside by Cosco is a great value pick. The padding is extra plush and comfortable, giving your child the needed boost to safely use the regular car seat belt. Its lightweight design makes it very portable and great for traveling. Featuring a seat-safe design, this model won't leave scuff marks or other damage on your vehicle seats. This booster seat is designed for children between 40 and 100 pounds and 43 to 57 inches tall. It comes in a variety of colors to match your or your child's preference. It's also one of the safest seats on the market, having been tested to meet and exceed federal safety standards and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety vehicle safety ratings. Its compact design makes it ideal for even the smallest cars. All in all, this super lightweight booster is a great pick if you're looking to save money but don't want to skimp on quality. Number 3. Kids Embrace Backless Booster Car Seat. The Kids Embrace Backless Booster Seat has DC Comics cartoon graphics on the cover, and it's removable and machine washable. This seat is designed to accommodate children between 40 and 57 inches in height and weighing around 40 to 100 pounds. As for the design, it's contoured and heavily cushioned with a polyurethane foam padding for enhanced comfort. Number 4. Chico Gofit Plus Backless Booster. The Gofit Plus Backless Booster is a great travel companion for parents who love to travel or carpool. It's easy to attach and will only take seconds to detach, even without adult assistance, owing to its quick-release latch system. Lower anchors help to stabilize the booster and prevent it from becoming a projectile risk in case you hit the emergency brakes. As far as comfort goes, the seat is contoured to the form of a growing child and equipped with double foam padding for durability. Lap and shoulder belt gills help to direct the vehicle's seat belt for proper positioning. In addition, it has a soft machine washable cover and dishwasher-safe cup holders on either side. However, there are a few drawbacks with this booster seat. For starters, you won't get a variety of colors to choose from. Number 5. Hiccapop Uber Boost Inflatable Booster Car Seat. If you are looking for a car seat that tucks away easily, we recommend the Hiccapop Uber Boost Inflatable Booster Car Seat, which is an inflatable car seat that takes only 20 seconds to inflate. You don't even need a pump, as it only takes a few breaths to inflate it. It's designed with a leak-proof valve to make the inflation process easy. Once deflated, you can roll it up to a compact size and store it in the provided carrying case. The booster seat is made of a thick dual layer of vinyl that's puncture-resistant and can accommodate children weighing about 40 to 110 pounds. It feels lightweight and is reinforced with a skid-proof silicone bottom so that it doesn't slide around the car seat. It has a removable cover that's made from durable fabric and is reinforced with a heavy-duty zipper. Integrated at the side is a metal belt loop that's compatible with almost all 3-point seat belt harnesses. The main downside of this booster seat is that it's rather basic and doesn't come with the frills that are typical on high-end booster seats. This includes armrests, a padded cushion, and a cup holder. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.